Want to automatically send new Reddit posts to your Discord server? Here's how to set it up in under a minute. No code required. First, copy the link of any subreddit or Reddit search you want to follow. Then open rss.app and paste that link into the generator. Click Save to My Feeds, then click the Discord icon and connect your Discord account. Select the channel where you want to post updates and click Save. rss.app will automatically forward the latest 3 posts to test the connection. From now on, every new Reddit post will be sent to your Discord as soon as it's added to your feed. You can also send older posts manually by clicking Send Post. Open settings to change the bot's name, avatar, and which elements appear in each message, such as the title, image, or only URL. In the Actions tab, you can trigger role mentions with every message or specific keywords, or ignore posts that contain certain phrases. And if you ever want to check what was sent and when, just open the History tab. Ready to keep your Discord fresh with the latest Reddit updates? Try it today at RSS app.